My people, no be small thing o. It's clear to all Igbo, all Igbos. This message is very clear right now. They say that the House of Assembly, the rep, wey sit down for Abuja there, all of them don reject the rotational presidency in Nigeria. That means that Yoruba can become president for the rest of Nigeria existence, and Hausa can become president for the rest of Nigeria existence, and I will do anything humanly possible to make sure that the president of Nigeria never come to Igbo land. This is a clear message, because who moved this message is one of our brother wey they call Carlo. Now move this motive. As he moved this motive, they reject am immediately, say no, it could never be rotational, as they have made it before, and they remove it and say no, it's not Igbo turn, no, it's Hausa turn. They have been ruling Nigeria and they don't want Igbo person to be in that position. Then are you, as an Igbo man waiting to see Nigeria great again, know it that you are a slave and other, and also a servant to this particular zoological republic. That is what I call it. My people, I go play you this video, may you watch, from our brother wey they call Sonkwa, before we come back. Continue, stay tuned.
A very quick one, or the very disheartening, in fact, all the very disgusting, you know, that House of Representatives got turned down the bill for rotational presidency. All we hear, Wute, you know, we hear, it is an act that instigates kind of, how do I put it? I will not say violence, you know, but here House of Rep, by throwing out the bill introduced by the Deputy Speaker of the House, Benjamin Carlo, that a rotational presidency will cause chaos. Rotational presidency will cause violence. Rotational presidency will breed mediocres. You know? When you look at the nitty-gritty and the behind the scene of they are throwing out that bill, you know, they are just talking rubbish. They know that MA rotational only Igbo gacherela Nigeria. That is the bottom line. That is what they were fighting for. Hama na MA rotational only Igbo gacherela Nigeria. That is just it. Happy and so what? They got Hachibe, Hachirano Town Haru Hachia. I know the guy make an Imo State here. I know the guy make an Imo State here. But it doesn't cause problem. It doesn't cause violence. You know? So, but for them now, issue that in Abiana see when they got Hachibe, when they got which means so when they Buarala Nobi. When they that no how, not their tribe, not their region, gonna achieve this country forever and ever, that they are born to rule, others are born to serve. That is the problem. They don't want to Igbo. Because rotate here, bam, na southeast, Onyibachi, Nigeria. They don't want it. They don't want it. Happen here na Koheri. Happen all this argument and logic. Happen all these things. This one is saying, the minority, deputy minority leader. They just don't want Tony to become president of Nigeria. Short and simple. Simple and short. I want our brother Benjamin Ikalu to reintroduce that bill. Let him reintroduce that bill. Throw it out again. All the southeastern legislators in the House of Rep should stage a walkout. It is democratic. Let me repeat. Benjamin Ukalo, Deputy Speaker, House of Rep, Nigeria, reintroduce that bill again. They conspire again to throw that bill out. Not a House of Rep should stage a walkout. It is their right, constitutional right, to stage a walkout in protest, because all Igbo will target throw out that bill. What is happening in this country? You threw out the bill because you know that at a point in the history of this country, under that rotational presidency, which is a law, you threw out the bill. Anyway, because you have already seen it, even in the federal character, even in the appointments in this country, even in ministerial positions in this country. Anyamarana, how many Igbo ministers? As in the main minister, not deputy ministers, not the minister of state. Anyamarana Igbo appointment in all the parastatals and agencies of the federal government. Anyamarana Igbo even as at now, only 16 appointments we are giving to Igbo under Tinubu administration. 16 only. 16 only. Southwest will have 220 something or more than appointments under Tinubu. Not them will be 300 or whatever. Then Ndibo they were only 16. Orudi 20. Orudi 20 appointments in Ndibo under Tinubu. I have advised our people. Ihuna here basara president in Nigeria. Presidency in Nigeria. Have forgotten to here. Have forgotten to that place. Can I help the governor game Alibo? Me Alibo, ya would the fastest growing economy in Nigeria. Half waranyo fuanya. Ewe put only shidema or chimo. Only shidema and Achiabia. Only shidema na Chianugu, na Chiaboni, na Chianambra, and ya has shared the commoner of the southeast. Bullshit here, these people. Bullshit here. You know? Why will you throw away that bill? Why will you throw it away? I will a bill now to extend the tenure of the presidency. May approve because I'm not how I ganachi. I'm not how I ganachi. Mananka gave Fusa to Onibo now. They know that after the rotational law, one day Onibo yachi hatopia. They kill it early. Happy materialize. And I kill you. Nah.
My wonderful people, this is the reason why these people do not want to release Nnamdi Kanu. But they say etorobo eterazo. But in this case of Nnamdi Kanu, any foul they like, let them be playing in that place. The what that we know is that when the time comes, they will beg. I'm seeing that this government are begging for negotiation. They will beg for let there be peace. So at the end of the day, everybody say no, there will not be peace. But let them be playing this game they are playing. Ndi Igbo, keep sleeping, keep in your deep sleeping, hoping that the country will be good, hoping that this terrorism that happening in the north will not be as heavier as we think in southeast. One day you will come back with your bag and find out that some Fulani man have taken over your compound. If you talk, they go buy you. Keep pushing all this narrative of this, that, and they carry this one, that. If you know the best way you can do it to serve your own people, come out and be doing it because this is not time for complaint. What is happening in the north will definitely be 100 times very soon in the future. Except this video, when the time comes, say there's a blogger who said this thing. What will happen in southeast? This Funanis will do in southeast will be 100 times bigger. Let them finish with the north first. They are coming for us. So guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.